People realize my hair more than I do, and they compliment me on it, and it's amazing. It's really great.
Hi, I'm Dr. Max, here today with Jerry, who was so nice that he agreed to share his experience after having a hair transplant procedure here exactly 12 months ago. Today, he's about to get his 4th complimentary PRP treatment. We just finished his hyperbaric treatment, right? Mm-hmm. How did it go, by the way?
And generally, I think it feels like, I don't know, a couple of years have been taken off.
And what you see today, we have a completely natural hairline. In Hair by Dr. Max, I never delegate any part of the surgery because I pay attention to every single detail. When Jerry walks around, there is no evidence that he had hair transplant. That's always my main priority. Also, when you check the donor area, there's almost nothing appear that you had a hair transplant. So what do you think, what was important to you as a patient when you decided to have a hair transplant here with us?
Well, I like the fact that you were the one who was actually doing the procedure. I really like the fact that you were really involved in speaking with me and making me feel comfortable about what I was doing. I didn't feel like a number. I felt like you really cared about this, and since you're doing it yourself, it's like a piece of art. And I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. People realize my hair more than I do, and they compliment me on it, and it's amazing. It's really great.
What do you think about the way we treat the surgery? So you remember you got all these hyperbaric treatments before the surgery and after.
You're the only one that was offering that option, and I really feel that I had no swelling. I've seen my friends who've had hair transplants, and they look like monsters.
Yes.
But not to mention, it was very comfortable. I really truly feel that your whole system is an awesome system that works really well.
I treat surgery not just that particular day. The entire surgery results takes up to 7 to 10 days after surgery for intensive hyperbaric therapy, which, by the way, speed up the recovery and healing by 3 times at least. So my patients usually at day 7 after surgery, they look like they had at least 3 weeks under normal condition.
I really do like the hyperbarics because I've seen my friends do it, and I looked so much better. I felt so much better than they did on day 1, 2, 3, and 4 after. So thank you. Yes, I appreciate it.